How does your body heal after sunburning your lips? The recovery process is surprisingly complex and reveals your body's amazing self-repair skills you rarely notice. When your lips get sunburned, the ultraviolet rays damage the delicate skin cells. This triggers an inflammatory response, causing redness, swelling, and pain. Unlike regular skin, your lips have very thin skin and fewer protective oils, making them more vulnerable to sun damage. This initial injury signals your body to start healing immediately. Beneath the surface, your body rapidly sends new skin cells to replace those destroyed by sunburn. This cellular regeneration is essential to rebuild the protective barrier. Specialized immune cells clear out dead cells, while fibroblasts produce collagen to strengthen the new tissue. This process usually takes a few days, during which your lips may peel or flake as old cells shed away. During healing, your lips lose moisture rapidly, which can lead to dryness and cracking. Your body works to restore hydration by increasing blood flow to the area, delivering nutrients and fluids. Applying external moisturizers can support this natural process. Keeping lips hydrated reduces discomfort and speeds healing, helping your lips regain their softness and flexibility. After the initial phases, your lips continue to strengthen and normalize. New skin layers thicken, and sensitivity decreases. However, if the sunburn was severe, some damage to pigment cells or scarring may occur. Protecting your lips from future sun exposure is crucial to avoid repeated injury. The healing process showcases how your body actively repairs damage, but prevention remains the best strategy. Your lips heal through a remarkable sequence of cell repair, hydration, and tissue rebuilding that you rarely see. This natural process protects your delicate skin and restores comfort. Next time you feel the sting of sunburned lips, remember your body is hard at work fixing the damage. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.